Apple is widely recognized as a symbol of knowledge, and apples were often given to teachers as a token of appreciation. Hi, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my cookie decorating tutorial where we're going to focus on back to school apple cookies. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you two different designs using the same shape. So let's get started. First, let me show you how I constructed this shape. I cut out an apple. I cut out a long rectangular shape. I trimmed the bottom of the apple and then I attached my rectangular shape onto the bottom, and then I baked the cookies. You're also going to need royal icing, and we're going to start by making the stacked books design. So let's start with the base. I'm spreading relatively thick consistency royal icing, ivory colored, across this bottom rectangular shape. I'm not going all the way to the edge. I'm actually going to clean up the edges a little bit. This is going to be where the books are going to be. So we will have two stacked books in this area. You can see I'm cleaning up the edge. And I'm going to create like a page texture. So I'm using my scribe tool immediately after I spread the icing, and I'm running it across, creating straight lines. And these represent book pages. So now we're going to make the apple itself. I'm using 15-second consistency royal icing here. I'm going to outline and fill this area. I'm using a tipless piping bag. And you can see here I'm squeezing the bag a little more icing is coming out, and you want to fill this area with icing and use your scribe tool to smooth and distribute the icing. Now I'm gonna add some reflection here with white. This is wet on wet, so I'm adding it while the red is wet. Now let's do the first book. My first book is blue. I'm using about soft piping consistency royal icing here. You want the red icing to be crusted, so wait about 10 minutes before you start adding the blue book, because you don't want the blue to blend with the red. You want to have a definition there, so make sure that you wait about 5-10 minutes. Now let's do the stem. I'm using brown icing, about 20-second consistency. You want to use thicker icing to eliminate cratering and dimpling in your icing. Now once the blue book crusts, we can add the green book. Again, use about soft piping consistency, and I'm just going to make the line slightly thicker at the curve here. And now we have to make the leaf. For the leaf, you can use the same soft piping consistency icing. It should work well because this is a small area, so by using your scribe tool, you're going to agitate that icing and it's going to smooth nicely. Once the icing dries, we can add the facial features. I'm using a template, scratching the top of the icing with my scribe tool. Now I'm going to make the eyes. I'm using about 20-second consistency black icing, and we're going to do wet on wet decorating, meaning I'm going to pipe white dots into the black while the black is still wet. So one dot here and then another tiny little dot. You can pick it up with the scribe tool and place it on there. Now we can do the glasses. For the glasses, option for about piping to soft piping consistency royal icing here. And I'm making these yellow. If you were to use a piping tip, I suggest using PME 1.5. That will work really well. Or if you don't have a 1.5, you can use number 2, but it will give you a slightly thicker line. You want to lift the bag slightly above the surface, keeping it about 45-degree angle, and then go slowly around. Follow that scratched guide that I made with a scribe tool, or that you made it with a scribe tool if you're gonna make these cookies. And now let's give this apple a big smile with black icing. This can be also that 20-25 second consistency. Now the second design includes a lined paper. So I'm starting with white royal icing, 15 second consistency, outlining and flooding the bottom. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, consider signing up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you get notified about my new uploads. You can find all the recipes also in printable version on my blog, hanielas.com. I'm going to use gray icing to make the holes in the lined paper, and use about 15 second consistency here so it sinks into the white. Let it crust for about 15-20 minutes, and then we can make the apple just like we did in the previous design, using red icing of 15 second consistency. Add the reflection with white icing, about 15 second consistency. Now we can do the stem with brown. If you don't have brown icing, but let's say you have red and green, you can mix red and green and make brown. Or you can use a little bit of cocoa powder. That works also. Let the stem crust before adding the leaf. Now to make the lined paper, your icing needs to be fully dry, and then you can use fine tip edible marker. This is a marker by Rainbow Dust. It's a dual marker, so one end has a regular standard tip and the other end has this super fine tip, which works really great for these. And now the red line. And now we can include a message for your favorite teacher, Mrs., can you guess what I'm gonna write? Baker. And we have to make one cookie for Mr. Wilson. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can find step-by-step picture tutorial on my blog along with all the recipes and list of tools. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.